दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल क्रेज़ी बडी। आज डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं एक ऐसे स्टॉक के बारे में जिसकी पूरे मार्केट में चर्चा है और वो शेयर है अदानी विल्मार। आइए सबसे पहले ये आर्टिकल देखते हैं जहां अदानी विल्मार जो स्टॉक ड्रीम रन कंटिन्यूज 3 फैक्टर्स ड्राइविंग द रैली। सो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं Analysts are bullish on Adani Wilmar counter after the meteoric rise in over the last 2 months. अराउंड 280% की रैली अब तक देखने मिली है और एनालिस्ट्स बता रहे हैं अराउंड 1000 रुपीज़ का नियर टर्म टारगेट। So as we can see, shares of Adani Wilmar have attracted huge investor interest absolutely since the debut in February this year. The stock of the edible oil manufacturer has closed at around 840 rupees on April 27 against the listing price of 221 on February 8, delivering 280% returns to the investors. The firm has achieved another feat in the stock market of crossing 1 lakh crore market capitalization. अब सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बात करते हैं यहाँ पे ड्यूरिंग दिस ऑन 28th of April, as we can see, the stock has closed 5% lower and its price was at around 798.95. Still, despite this, the analysts are bullish on this counter. Let's have a look at the 3 most important reasons why they are so bullish on this counter. First of all, सबसे important अगर देखें तो recently announced जो news है export ban on palm oil. Indonesia, which is one of the major exporters of palm oil in the entire world, has decided to put up a ban on the palm oil exports. So as we can see with Indonesia announcing a ban on export of palm oil to control the local prices, edible oil players in India are enjoying high pricing power amid the shortage of the commodity. Here, Adani Wilmar, which is one of the largest edible oil players, is one of the beneficiary of the shortage of palm oil. India sources nearly half of its annual palm oil needs from Indonesia. दूसरी बात अगर देखें तो वो है रशिया यूक्रेन वॉर। अगर यूक्रेन की अगर बात करें तो इट इज़ वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट एक्सपोर्टर्स ऑफ सोयाबीन सीड्स एंड ऑयल। दिस सप्लाई साइड, सो अकॉर्डिंगली द सप्लाई हैज़ reduced considerably. The supply side disruption will benefit Adani Wilmar, whose unsold inventory is likely to command higher prices in the market. The sale of edible oil will in turn boost the margins and make the stock look more attractive to the investors. And finally, the most important thing over here is the key strength of the Adani Group business, which includes a strong distribution network, which will benefit the firm in selling its inventory in a market which is hit by supply shortage. The company is also planning to improve its overall distribution network over the next 3 to 4 years. So it also has a strong brand and market leadership, integrated manufacturing facility that helps drive cost efficiencies across its different business lines. This and also the volume growth which is expected out is around 9.3% and the compounded annual growth rate is expected to be around 20% over the next 3 years according to the Edelweiss report. आइए देखते हैं टेक्निकल चार्ट पे। अगर स्टॉक की अगर बात करें तो ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं हुआ है स्टॉक को लिस्ट हुए। नीचे आप देख सकते हैं रिलेटिव स्ट्रेंथ इंडेक्स दिखाया गया है, तो जो अभी करंटली 77 के लो लेवल्स पे है, जो काफ़ी ओवरबॉट लेवल बता रहा है। हमें RSI रिलेटिव स्ट्रेंथ इंडेक्स को थोड़ा ठंडा होने की इंतज़ार करना चाहिए। अभी करंट लेवल्स पे अगर देखें तो स्टॉक बिल्कुल ओवरबॉट लेवल्स पे चल रहा है। विल हैव टू वेट फॉर सम करेक्शन टू अकर करंटली। अगर लेवल्स अगर देखें जहां हम बाइंग कर सकते हैं तो पहला लेवल निकल के आ रहा है अराउंड 660 रुपीज़ के अराउंड। 660 levels would be the first level where we can start investing in this stock. The second level, if we have a look, is around at 550 rupees and the third level would be at around 420 rupees. So that's it from my sides, friends. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for further updates. Thank you.